Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button because I upload videos like this one every week. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can verify your YouTube account on iPhone or iPad in 2021. The first thing that you'd want to do, you'd want to open up Safari or whatever browser you prefer. I prefer using Safari because it comes with the iPad. And you want to type in the search bar, if you haven't already, youtube.com. You heard it right, type in youtube.com. Because if you type in YouTube alone, it will take you to the YouTube app. And once you reach in the YouTube app, what you basically want to do is tap on open with Safari or open with Chrome or whatever browser you're using. So now that you have youtube.com typed into the search bar, you'd want to tap on your logo up in the top right hand corner, and then after you tapped on your logo up in the top right hand corner, you'd want to tap on YouTube Studio. Now that you're in YouTube Studio, what you basically want to do from here, you want to tap on settings, and then you want to tap on channel, tap on feature eligibility. After you've done that, you can see the features that are available to you and the features that will be available to you when your account has already been verified. After that, what you want to do from here, you want to tap on the down arrow, and then you want to tap on verify phone number. So I'm not going to tap on that yet. I'm going to read some of the features that will be available to you when your account has already been verified. So as you can see, it says that you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You can add custom thumbnails to your YouTube videos. You can live stream unlimitedly. You can live stream. You can get appealing content ID claims. And the features that are available to you right now, obviously your account hasn't already been verified. So I'm going to tap on the default features. You don't have to tap on this. I'm just doing this for the benefit of you guys, to show you what you have available to you because your account is not verified. So as you can see, the default features are all the features
you need to start your YouTube channel and begin to grow your audience. Default features will be available whenever the channel is free from any community guideline strikes. You can upload videos, you can create playlists, you can add collaborators to playlists, and you can add new videos to existing playlists.
Now, you didn't have to tap on default feature, but I just wanted to tap on that for the benefit of you. So what you want to do from here, you want to tap on verify phone number, and as you can see, it take me to the YouTube app. Now, as I mentioned previously, you want to tap on open with Safari or open with Chrome or whatever browser you prefer using. So I'm going to tap on open with Safari because I'm obviously using Safari. So as you can see, the step says verifying your phone number lets you it says verifying your phone number lets you access additional features on YouTube and helps YouTube to make sure you're a real YouTube creator and not a robot. So what you want to do from here, you want to select whether you want to get a text verification code or you want to get automatic voice message. Now, on my previous tutorial, you guys were saying that you don't know where to get the SMS from, and what I want to tell you from right now is that you must have a phone with you. You must have a phone and you must have a phone number, because if you do not have a phone number, then you will not be able to get the code from YouTube. So if you don't have a phone number or you don't have a phone, try and get somebody or try to use someone's phone to verify your account. I prefer using your own because for business reasons, YouTube might contact you for, say, if you want to get monetized. I don't know, but I'm just saying that I will recommend you guys having your own phone number. So what you want to do from here, you want to select your country and you want to type in your phone number. So I'm going to type in my phone number, and then I'm going to tap on get the code. So if you have a phone and a phone number, Google should send you Google/YouTube should send you a verification code in the SMS app. They should send you a verification code. Whether you're using Android or iOS, you should be notified by Google that you've received the verification code. As I mentioned, you'll get it in the Messages app, where your telecommunications provider will send you stuff. That is where you'll get the code. So I'm just doing a brief explanation as to how you can get the code from Google. So now that you typed in your phone number, open up the Messages app, and now you want to look for Google. So you just see it says, it will put the verification code first, and then it'll say, is your YouTube verification code. So now that Google has sent me the verification code, I'm gonna type that in. You want to type in the exact numbers. And I also got a comment and someone told me that if you'll get the same verification code. No, you will not. You will not get the same verification code because it's different phone numbers that you're using. So Google will send you different verification codes. You will not get the same exact code that I'm using. They will send you a different code. And from here, you want to tap on submit. And as you can see, your YouTube channel has already been verified. It says, congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Now you will have access to all of the features that I was telling you about when you have verified your YouTube channel, your YouTube account. Now this tutorial is not how you can get the verification tick. This is how you can verify your YouTube account, not get the verification tick. If you would like to know how you can get the verification tick, I'm going to tell you this. The only way that you can get a verification tick is if you have over 100,000 subscribers. Point blank, that's it. So without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out these related videos.